Roman keys from True Genius. It's a level 2 puzzle that will be very easy. We just need to separate the two keys. See, donc, this we have a big opening, an opening here with some cutout. Get one cutout here, small one and a big one here. Donc, if I try to pass the opening of this key there, I cannot do it. Not enough room, donc I have to find another way. I can pass by this, I think. Yes, okay, pass. Turn the key and now I can pass by the cutout. Okay, that key can go like that. This, it is not working, no, this one is working. And the puzzle is solved. See, to tick to pass on the other side. To put back together, pass by that cutout, turn the key, wait, like that, pass by this cutout, no, like that, turn the key, passing by very thin part of the other key, like that, and the puzzle is solved. Very easy puzzle. Thank you for watching and see you next time.